let me show you how to do the 20-yard shuttle in Madden NFL 26. So the mini game is about flicking the left analog stick towards the direction that you will see on the radius, and you want to match the perfect target. So you will have to guess pretty much, or try to manually put your left analog stick on the perfect target. And in the meantime, in between these prompts, you will also see a button that you need to keep pressing all the time. And this can be pretty much any button, so you will have to keep an eye on that, because you probably can't really guess what button you will have to keep pressing. So let's get right into it. Don't mind my invisible knees. So we are ready. Let's press the start button. We have the countdown, and soon we should see where we have to flick. There we go. And now we need to keep pressing this button and once again flick towards the other direction, and I had to keep spamming the same button again. But in your case, of course, it might be a different button. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.